Okay, good afternoon everyone and welcome to the Moongate November 2024 month-end report. Standing on the excavation cuts for phase 2 here at the resort. So agave and bamboo will give us 24 suites over 2 floors, both looking over reception beside building 7 and out to the magnificent view that I'm enjoying right now. On my right hand side will be the 2 pickleball courts, and then where I'm looking now is the offices for administration, staff arrivals, reverse osmosis plant, cisterns, laundry, generators, sewage treatment plant. So exciting to be here with Hayden and the team, putting up the cut stone that you've seen him and his colleagues cutting for week after week, showing some really amazing traditional stone laying, and it's going to make this reception building really one of a kind. Standing here in front of the reception hall with its roof coming up, and behind that the roof and ring beam going up on building 7. One more to go after that, and then all the roofs are on, and we're excited to be starting phase 2 as we move out of phase 1's heavy construction. But until next month, everyone take care and stay safe. Look forward to saying happy holidays to you in 4 weeks' time.